Hey guys, today we're visiting a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment here in La Cruz de Huanacaxtle listed at $685,000. It is located in the Alamar Complex here in the building Delta 3. So guys, let's go check it out. Coming out of the elevator on the 6th floor, we reach unit 602. And at first glance, we see this beautiful view out into nature and the ocean. And I want you guys to really check this out because it's amazing. So one of the cool things here in Alamar is that they love nature, and this whole land here out front is owned by Alamar, and they don't plan on building anything because they don't want to obstruct anyone's view. 1, 2, they, like I said, they love nature. And you guys, they also have hiking trails for bird watching and for those people that love taking a walk in nature. So we have your neighboring buildings, and here, well, it's your beautiful terrace with your grill, your table and chairs, and lounge chairs over here. So unit 602 comes fully furnished. So here you have your living room sofa, your dining table, and your kitchen with these lovely little stools. You have granite countertops. You have your oven, your microwave. No dishwasher, but you could definitely include it if you wanted to. And you have this lovely light feature here. Over here we have the master bedroom that also has lovely, lovely views. If you're afraid of heights, I think this wouldn't be for you, but you could definitely see down below all of this mountain hillside. You also have views into the terrace. You could walk out into the terrace. You have electric curtains also with blackout. So in case you don't want the sun to hit you, you could definitely pull those down. You have a TV as well. And since it comes furnished, I wanted to point out that this is pretty cool. You know, you have storage space on the side of the bed, which can come in handy and make it very minimalistic. Over here, you have barn doors into your bathroom. And you have 2 sinks here. Your bathroom. Views, obviously. Going back, you have this large closet space. And your shower. So going back, you can see that it has central AC, all controlled by this little thing here that you can also see in the bedrooms. So this is full bathroom. So two of the bedrooms have full bathrooms, and the other bedroom has its bathroom outside of the room, but it is a full bedroom. Or a full bathroom, sorry. So here, once again, you have ocean views, TV here, closet space, And over here is your third bedroom. You don't have ocean views, but you do have this great mountain view. Sometimes I see sheep and cows, which is nice because you feel like more with nature. Just thought this was cool to show. And this is the bathroom that I mentioned. That's not part of the bedroom, but it is a full bathroom. And lastly, so behind the door, you'll find your laundry space to put your washer and dryer. They also have a small place where you can fill, water if you need to. Huge boiler. You have your electricals here. So that was about it for this apartment, but I am going to show you guys one of the amenities that it has, which is down below, their jungle club. Alamar does have a beach club that is, once you leave Alamar, you cross the street, and then down below over there, you will see that it has its own beach club with a swimming pool, a restaurant, lots of lounge areas to chill on, and, well, your beachfront. So yeah, let's go check out one of the amenities that they have. So coming out of the elevator on the first floor, you will find this small passageway to Jungle Club number 2. Currently, Alamar offers 2 jungle clubs, but this one is the closest to the Delta building, and you can use both. So at first glance, you will see the palapa with the seating areas and fans, as well as this beautiful ocean view here. Part of this jungle club includes this sand area with an outdoor shower in case you're coming back from the ocean, or maybe the children want to build sand castles. Honestly, I'm not really sure what it's for exactly, but hey, all ideas are welcome. And of course, you have a good sized pool for this hot weather. On the other side of the pool area, we can see they have this separate part where you'll find the bathrooms with showers, and you'll see in just a sec. And on the opposite side, you'll find a kitchen that you can use if you have group or family gatherings at the palapa. So just imagine cooking with this view. It's amazing. And over here, you have these wooden cabinet-like doors that you can open up into the palapa area. So going back outside, on the right, you have more mountain views and these outdoor grills for carne asadas or barbecues. And all along the side, you can see the detail with the concrete seating areas. And finally, up ahead, we have a gym that you can get to through these stairs. And once you get to the top, you will see that you have this gorgeous vegetation as your view. Going inside, you will see that you have fairly new equipment along with 2 AC units and 6 fans. So you'll definitely not get hot up in here. Now going back to the palapa area, and on the right side, you'll find these stairs that will lead you into the parking level or ground level, which I think is cool if you're coming back from the beach and want to go directly to the pool. You have this easy access. So on the parking level, below the Jungle Club, this unit has storage number 8 along with its deeded parking space. Here you can kind of see the number 602. And well, opening it up, you have these high ceilings, and I'm going to show you. So it's pretty tall. And so coming out, this is what Delta 3 looks on the outside. In the middle, you have your elevator here to go up to your unit. So guys, that was about it. I hope you loved this property tour. And remember, if you would like more information or would like to come down and check it out yourself, you can contact me down below. And remember to subscribe.